Sanjitra here. So I'm basically from Mumbai. So I have actually 14 years of experience in HR. So have managed all generalistic HR, and like I have worked with various industries in IT, telecom, manufacturing. So right now, currently where I'm working, it's an IT and telecom company, and managing all aspects of HR areas. And my key strengths is basically recruitment, performance management, and employee engagement. And rest other operations I'm managing. So that is what about me. And the qualification, I graduated in commerce. Then I have done MBA. That was in 2007, and after that I did some SHRM course and all, but then slowly gradually I've developed my HR skills. But now analytics, I used to read a lot on paper on websites, and now I was wondering what is analytics. So that's why I have chosen this course, and I think I have learned a lot of things from CHRMP. So it has made my lot of doubts very cleared my lot of doubts in analytics. I got to learn a lot of metrics, so how to work on that. Then Tableau is a fantastic this thing software where we can project lot various types of graphs. So I think takeaway is full knowledge of of HR analytics, which can help us, which will help us to project our HR ideas in front of the management. That's all.